Alright everyone, welcome back to another game of Team Deathmatch. Immediately into the game, I rushed to the enemy's cliff to get the element of surprise on this one. I successfully got there before any of them could get to the top to spot me. But I hear one just above me. I spot a group of them on the other side of the cliff. I don't worry about the sound I'm making because they probably think I'm just another teammate this early in the game.
Safety. Ah, fuck, out. Hill is clear! Ashley, you stay here, I'm gonna go left.
The enemy spawn is just at the base of this cliff, so me and my team probably aren't going to hold this position very long, just for the fact of fairness.
We're still missing two of them. I think they went on the hill.
I spot an enemy through the brush in front of me.
Alright. One's coming up the middle. One's going in the creek. All right, let's go. We're gonna push back.
The enemy team started to look frustrated, so we decided that now would be the time to pull back. As I make my way back, I see something that looks a little off on top of the hill.
Hey, they're on top. Two of them. Straight across from you.
I let my team take care of the two guys on the hill while I go see if the enemy and learn from their mistake. As I move ahead through the shrubs, one of them catches my GoPro and turns it.
Hill's clear again.
Right after I say this, I spot an enemy peeking through a pile of brush right in front of me.
Never mind.
A friendly takes him out, so I start searching for the enemies. Time runs through and ends the game, but let me know what you guys think about the new hit marker guy thing. I think it's a really good alternative to hit markers that I've really been trying to avoid. Also, let me know what you guys thought of that new camera angle. I might try to use it in some future videos. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.